Hey, Dad.
What?
When's Mom gonna be here?
As soon as Luke's laying down, I think. Then she's gonna pack him up.
Oh, no. Sparks are coming my way. I'm gonna go.
Boys wanted to come out and cook their, they have some camping meals they wanted to cook over the fire. So we came down by the creek to start a fire and we're gonna cook them over the fire.
Pack on, yeah. The action minute pack? Yeah. Dad!
What?
Dad, this is already huge now.
It's huge now, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are we gonna cook?
We have some little fire. We have some little little camping packs that you just take a pot of water and heat it up on something and then dump it in and then mix it up and then you eat it. But we have some soup in a pan.
Should we get that going?
Yeah.
Let's get the water heated up. See if we can set it next to that fire somewhere.
I might need that hat for a little bit.
You need help putting your mittens on? Come over here.
And thank you, cows. Why? Because they have hay right there. Thank you, cows, for bringing the hay.
How is it, Logie?
Good.
How was yours, Jack?
Delicious.
Delicious? What kind was it again? Beef
Stroganoff.
beef stroganoff?
Beef.
How was yours, Leah?
God.
Did you spill some of yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was your little light on your hat?
God.
Did that work pretty good?
Look at me. You can hold my ball.
Jack, what'd you all put in here in this pot? What'd you all cut up?
Carrots, potatoes, meat.
What kind of meat? Pork chops?
We're having a big fire out in the woods. We're having a big fire out wide.
Leah?
We having croutons.
They look like croutons?
Yeah, look like croutons.
They're actually dumplings.
Dumplings.
Having chicken and dumplings next.
Having corn and dumplings. So the tent over there and then the camp right here. Can I show it on the video?
I don't think they're going to be able to see it.
Why?
Because all I can see is the fire. Because it's dark.
You could do it with him, Aunt. Okay, let's do it. Okay, Daddy. We were thinking of camping here, so we were thinking we could set the tent right here, and then our fire right here, and then our chairs can go around it, and we can cook over the fire.
You want to do that in the summer?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a good idea. You want to come with, Leah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah!
Think that'll be fun?
Yeah!
Okay. Fire's just about out. We're going to head back. Kids' feet are getting cold. Everything stayed really warm. Their hands are warm. Their bodies are warm, just their feet are cold. Might need to invest in some better boots if we were to winter camp. I don't think we're going to do that anytime soon. You ready to go back, Leah?
Yeah.
You got everything packed up?
Yep. Yeah.
Got your bags?
Yeah.
Who did all the packing for this little camping trip?
Me and Logan.
Yeah? And what else did you do to get ready?
We put on our stuff and then go out.
Did you cut all the potatoes and
Yeah.
carrots and the
Yeah.
pork chops?
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're walking back right now, and
How was that?